Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Samsung voice recorder. Then install this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now tap on this red button. Then select while using the app in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, my recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by tapping on the same red button. If you wish to delete your recording right away, pause it, click on this card at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then start a new one by tapping on the red button again. If you wish to add a bookmark, your recording needs to be on. Then click on this left button. You can type in wherever you wish to or not at all and save it by tapping on OK. Finally, to end it and save it, tap on the check mark on the right. Now hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to hold it and select this pin icon. You can also tap on this one next to the pin one in order to rename it. Then tap on OK in the pop-up. You can click on those three dots on your recording instead and tap on Rename option. Or on Delete one. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!